Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off reviews on a Facebook page. Now let's get started.
First, open your Google Chrome and head over to Facebook. Go ahead and log in to your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From here, you'll see all your profiles and pages. Now just switch to the page you want to manage. Now that you're on your page, click on your page's profile picture. This will open up your page menu. Look for the Reviews tab. This is the section we're going to remove. On the right side of that menu, you'll see a three-dot icon. Click on that, then choose Page and Tagging Settings. Now turn off the Allow Others to View and Leave Reviews on your page option. Now, if you go back to your page, you'll notice that the Reviews tab is gone. Clean and simple. And that's how you turn off reviews on your Facebook page.